This is the Hollyland Lark A1. It's a compact, budget-friendly, wireless microphone system designed specifically for smartphone users. But this mic in particularly is positioned at even more budget creators with the price point between $35 and $69 depending on which kit you buy. So in this video, I'm gonna go over all the key features that these microphones offer. So in the box, you'll get this nice soft carrying case that you're able to fit all the contents of this kit inside of. You also get this nice charging case. And the version that I chose was the combo kit that includes 2 wireless receivers and 2 microphones. So the 2 receivers are for Lightning devices as well as USB-C devices. And then additionally, you'll also get a couple of windscreens that can pair with the microphones. Now, setting up these microphones is actually extremely easy. All you have to do is pull one of the receivers out that you pair with whatever device you have, which for me is my iPhone 12 Pro, so I'll use the Lightning receiver. And all you're gonna wanna do is just plug that directly into your phone and then pull out whichever of the microphones you wanna use. So obviously the most important part when it comes to a set of microphones is the sound quality. Because if you're planning to use them for recording any type of content, you wanna make sure you're getting the best sound quality you can possibly pull out of them. So I actually don't have a lot of sound treatment in here in my room, so this is a pretty raw and real world test. Just if you were working at a desk station and you wanna record videos, this is how the sound quality would sound. And honestly, I think it's really good. So right now I'm outside and I have a leaf blower going off right now, and this is with the noise cancellation turned off. So now I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like with it turned on. So now this is with the noise cancellation turned on, and I still have the leaf blower going, so hopefully it sounds a bit better. Now these microphones do have some physical buttons on them, which are nice to control your smartphone and the microphones in some different ways. So if you press the button just one time, it'll enter noise cancellation mode. And if you press the button twice, it'll mute the microphone or turn red. Now the Lark A1 microphones can also be paired with the Lark A1 sound system for more functionality with your microphone audio. And as you can see, the audio adjustment can go all the way from level 1 to level 6. Another feature I really liked about these microphones is the range that they possess. It provides up to a 200-meter range, which means even from 200 meters away, you can still pick up a transmitter signal. So to wrap this up, is the Hollyland Lark A1 worth it? I would say yes. I think it's an amazing option for creators who are trying to make content on a budget. It's full of a lot of great features, has really good sound quality, and is at a really affordable price. If you want to check out the Hollyland Lark A1 for yourself, you can check out the link here in my description. And if you want to see another video similar to this one, click on the button right on your screen.